go. Alright, just stop to scout out this rock drop that's coming up. Alright, well today I'm going to be tackling some of the Enduro trails in Grizedale Forest. So we're at the top of the hill here, and then we're going to be heading down to Coniston Water, which is on my right. And I don't think it should be too difficult, but yeah, quite challenging, but not too difficult, hopefully. I ended up cycling over here from Elterwater, which is where we're staying. So I've already been riding for a bit here. And I think this is the first trail. This one's called Lawson Roots. And it certainly is rooty. And rutty. Alright, looks like we're heading out of the forest now. The combination of roots and ruts is tricky. It's quite narrow as well in places. Quads are screaming. Yeah, so all the trails that we're doing today are rated as black, so hopefully I'll be able to do most of them, but I'm sure there'll be sections that I'll need to get off and walk, and that's okay. Wow, that is a big fallen tree. All right, next trail. I just pushed back up the hill. This is loose and very energy sapping to climb up. A few drops here and there. Amazing descent though. Not really sure what the line choice is here. Yeah, that'll do. And there we go. Back at the big tree. Alright, so I'm at the start of the next trail now, and we're going to be descending all the way down to Coniston Water. And you guys won't be able to tell, but that is a long way down, so I'm expecting this to get pretty steep and difficult. Hell of a chute to start off with. Looks like it might be a little bit overgrown in places. I think it's usually very difficult to tell how steep these trails are, but the general rule of thumb, the more of the bike you can see in the trail, or in the camera rather, the steeper it is. think down here there'll probably be sections where you'll be able to see my handlebars are right in there. Woo! That's spicy. Alright, I can do that. I just need to have a look at it first. I think the best move here is to come in right side. There we go. Came out of nowhere. This is real janky. Okay. Yeah, I think it's fair to say this section looks quite difficult. Okay, here we go. Yes! Oh man. I am thrilled to have written that. Definitely the most intimidating feature I've ever done. I feel like I've taken the chicken line here, but it's the one that called to me. Alright, decided to walk this section. Might not look like much on camera, but this line here is just unbelievably chunky and looks horrible. And then this line, you've got to be able to sort of do that drop and then thread it between like this foot wide gap here at the bottom with a really mean looking rock. So not for me, not yet. Alright, it's the last bit of the trail to do here. We're on to the next one. Not particularly graceful, but I'll take it. Okay, next trail here. Actually looks like quite a chilled out start, but it is black, so I'm sure it'll get more spicy. Just trying to avoid all the loose bits. Okay, not too bad so far. Very steep here. This is real nice, actually. Alright, just stop to scout out this rock drop that's coming up.
So when doing drops, it's a pretty common technique to push the bike forward or move your weight back to stop the front wheel from dropping. And I think what happened here is I actually did that too much and my shorts touched the rear tyre, completely stopping it, which sent me over the handlebars. So at this point I just wanted to take my time and make sure that I was okay and that the bike was still in one piece. And then luckily I was able to walk away from it with just some bruises and scrapes.
Woo! We're almost down at the lake now. Lovely. Well, I have recovered from my crash and straightened up my handlebars again. So that's good. But yeah, I lost the scent now. Probably going to take it a little bit easier. A bit less intense as descent, which is I think what I need. After that crash, just sort of want to get my confidence back. Really enjoyed those enduro trails overall though. Very challenging, certainly at the limit of what I can ride. And definitely the most difficult stuff I've ridden so far. Shame about the crash, but I think I was very fortunate, to be honest, to get away with it. Thanks guys. Yeah, very fortunate. Could have been a lot worse. Thank you. And there we go. End of the ride. Great ride overall. Definitely worth doing if you're a more advanced rider than I am. Definitely wouldn't do them if you're less experienced. But yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. I'll catch you in the next one.